go then. First test of the Fowler on steam. As you can see, a lot's happened. I've just got the blowtorch in there now. Water gauges with the water gauge protectors. Water pump will be run them to the tender. Nothing on the gauge yet. The gear levers are on. All oilers. Cylinder top's finished. I may well be changing these pressure relief valves because I'm not particularly happy with them. As you can see, I've had to tighten one up further than is needed, or should be where it is, but yeah, may have to change those. But yeah, everything else is tickety-boo. Both clack valves are done, plumbed in. So yeah, we're going to give her a run and see how she goes. But a weird thing, I don't know if anyone knows, but this water pump only has a ball in this side, in the suction, so it sucks in, which is fine, but there's nothing to stop water sucking up the bypass line, unless this is closed, in which case obviously it won't suck water up. So is it the case that it only sucks water when the bypass is closed? Because there's a ball down here and a ball up here, but this ball up here is to stop return from the boiler feed. There's nothing to stop. Say that's open and it's turning. There's nothing to stop air getting sucked up this line. So I'm quite confused. Anybody got any ideas? But yeah, we'll let her steam up and see how she runs on steam rather than compressed air.
Right, so this is steam test.
Steam test number 1.
First ever steam test. Whistle works. I guess it works.
Okay, so this is, as you've seen, quite hectic. I've no idea what the whistling noise coming out is, but we'll get one more test. Water pump seems to be taking water, as you can see on the level. But we've got a few leaks up front, especially on the exhaust. You can see coming from that exhaust flange there. So that's going to be one to sort out. I'm going to have to repack the glands, give them another ring of packing. But she's running. She's running. Here we go. So you can see how fast the pressure drops now.